With easy prompts as your creative guide, we will try creating awe-inspiring masterpieces using the Imagine AI Art Generator app, which basically tries to resemble Midjourney on mobile. When we open the app, this is the screen you get. We have the field to give our custom prompts here, the model and styles to choose these options, the style where we can choose ton of options for different looks. The desired aspect ratios. In advanced settings, more options. This all happens server side, so make sure your internet connection is good. So initially, I will try adding only few keywords to create a sci-fi artwork. We'll add man walking through a portal with a fiery ring, starry sky, cinematic look I guess, futuristic. We'll see where this takes us. Here I will choose V4 Beta, which should be the latest algorithm to create this. For now, I will keep this no style. In aspect ratio, we'll choose this vertical 4:5 option. In advanced settings, we'll enable high resolution, which gives you this warning. We'll go ahead with it. We'll drag the step slider towards better quality. Going back, we'll click on Generate button. This will start generating the image. After a few moments, the server side errors here. Just wait out for it. Or better, go back and disable high resolution toggle and then try. Now you got this beautiful artwork. If you're not satisfied, you can tap on Generate More, which will give you a different result each time you tap on it. I'm okay with this one. To save it, we'll tap on this button first, then choose Upscale Result, which upscales the image with a better resolution. Then we'll save it. We'll now experiment by changing the style to fantasy and generate. We'll generate one more. I think I like this a lot. We'll upscale this and save it. Now we'll try creating a more detailed artwork. So we'll start with these prompts: small Indian village, cinematic, peaceful, dusk, few small houses, gardens, people chilling outside, hills in the background, greenery, street lamps, vibrant. We'll select no style here and desired ratio for the output. We'll generate it now. Will almost always gives this error. It seems to be buggy on the server side, but wait it out, you will certainly get rewarded. These are the results. Now we'll add one more prompt here. Flowing water stream. Maybe we'll delete flowing, we don't need it. Generate. This looks a lot better for me. We'll try one more. This looks beautiful. Better than what I expected. So you may need few tries to see which you will like more. We'll save both. We'll make beautiful wallpapers on the phone. There is also tag keywords option where we can add more preloaded words to create prompts. You can try experimenting with these if you are confused. Here we'll try earth tones in colors. We'll also choose vibrant and generate. Here's the result. We'll change the style to fantasy. These look more interesting, at least for me. You can also take inspirations from these examples below with prompts to give you ideas. Now I'll go to Toolbox and choose Image Remix, where we can add our own images and remix them. We'll upload this image from phone's gallery and try choosing the ratio which covers the whole image. 2:3 is the one here. We'll click Apply. Now we'll add some keywords. We'll see whether this gives desired results. We'll choose realistic mode here. Here choosing depth. This feature seems to be still in beta. Was not too impressed with the results. But again, if you try with different prompts and modes, you may get some beautiful results. Just showing here how this works. We'll try experimenting with different prompts and see if I can get more interesting results, which I will try to demonstrate in my future videos. Note that the free version is ad supported with some options being limited. Here are some stunning artwork I got playing with this app. Hope you found this video useful and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.